Hello traders, Chasing Stars here doing a video chart for BCAP. I did this one not too long ago, and I'm going to go ahead and recap here what I've been seeing here. I've definitely seen a complete turnaround, and a lot of stuff happened exactly the way I thought it would. So I'm going to go ahead and point out a few things here. I'm going to start off with the basics. Obviously, today's date is January 30th, 2012. We're going to be focusing right now on the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. And if we look at that right now, it is at 74.41. Now we've just reached this power zone, and this right here that we're looking at is a 6-month daily chart, and it has not been up there since then. So we are at the 74.41 in the RSI. It's definitely hitting the power zone, so that's something very good to look forward to, and we still have room to go. As we move down here towards the candlesticks, we're going to be looking at a few key things here. Back when I did this chart, it was down here at the bottom, and that's when I was watching it hit that bottom and watching all this accumulation going up, and that's exactly what struck me there, and that's why I did the original video chart. So right now we closed up today at 0005. Now we've done very well here, and the reason why I say that, we broke through this blue line. This blue line represents the 50-day simple moving average. That was sitting at 3, so we definitely got a very beautiful close way above that. We closed up 66.67% today, and right at a minor resistance at that 0005. We're going to go ahead and put that resistance line right there. And then the next one I'm going to go ahead and put is over here at this red line. This red line's a 200-day simple moving average. That's sitting at 0008 right now. So we're going to be watching for this 5 to fall, which in my opinion could be fairly quick. And then we're going to watch for this red line, this blue rather, which behind it is the red line for the 200-day simple moving average. We're going to watch for that one to fall. After we watch that fall, I think we can put our next resistance up here around the 13-14 area. It could fluctuate somewhere around there, but we look back in here, it got above right there, pulled back down. A little bit of sideways trading between this channel right here, between the 13 and the 6 area. And then, of course, we went and fell below this support line, which is now resistance, and came down here and traded sideways a little bit, and that's exactly where all this accumulation began. And you see that especially with these 000 stocks. A lot of accumulation down here at the bottom, because it could definitely provide great gains for anybody that ends up getting in at such a low level. If we look back here at the 0002, at 0005, they're already 150% up, and that's what takes a little bit to get out of these 000s. Once we get up to the doubles, up to the 0.001, and like I said, once this 200-day simple moving average falls at 0008, you'll see a lot more movement, and obviously the percentage gains won't be extremely as high, and you won't have so many people with so many shares taking profits or whatnot. So the next thing about this chart I'm going to go ahead and point out is the parabolic SAR is under, and that's definitely a bullish sign. So just something to really watch for here, because if this 5 falls and this 8 falls, we're going to definitely be on our way to at least to the mid-teens, lower teens. And the next thing we're going to go ahead and point out about this chart is down here with the MACD. We see this MACD has a beautiful spread, a beautiful buy signal from the MACD. So that's just another great thing to put into this equation here with BCAP. And the last thing I'm going to point out here is the accumulation. We see the accumulation literally going off the charts right now and climbing her way on up. So again, this is BCAP. This will be posted over on myvideocharts.com, and if you look in the January archive, you can see my one from earlier in January. You guys take care. We'll see you back on the boards.